Hi everyone. Today also we are meeting with another important lessons coming under Edexcel and Cambridge curriculums. That is about tree diagrams. When we are talking about probability, many of the children they are getting confused how to draw these tree diagrams and how to apply these concepts into their sums. But I am going to start this with a very simple example and I am going to explain you how to apply them for the application type of questions as well. Okay children, we will go to the first example. Now you can see in this box we have 5 red beads and 3 green beads. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take a bead from this one at random. I am taking one bead at random. And after checking the color, it is replaced. I took the bead out, I noted the color and replaced that. Still when I am taking another bead for the second time, still there is no change of the number of beads. The number of beads are still same because I replaced that after checking the color. Now when we are representing this in a tree diagram, we can draw the tree diagram like this. Here one branch I am representing for red, the other one for green. We are doing this one 2 times. This is going for the first time. When we are going to the second row, now you can see another 2 branches we are representing for the second time. And I have named them red, green, here red, green, red, green. Then if you will observe this tree diagram carefully, you can see when we go along the first branch, we are getting red, red. Then we are getting red, green. Then we are getting green, red. Then we are getting green, green. All possible outcomes we are eligible of getting from this tree diagram. That is the specialty in tree diagram. Like this, as the first step, you should be able to draw the tree diagram correctly. In the next step, we have to mark the probabilities of each separately on each branch. Now when we go to the first branch, we have red. How many red beads were there? There were 5 red beads and there were 3 green beads as well. So when we mention the probability on the first branch, we have to mention that one as 5 over 8. That is the probability of taking a red bead. When we are taking a green bead, that's 3 over 8. The same probabilities we have to mention on these branches as well. Because I told you this probability is not changing since we replace this bead. Okay. Then you can see here we have 5 over 8, 3 over 8, 5 over 8, 3 over 8. Now we have already completed our tree diagram. Next, we will see what kind of questions that they can ask from these tree diagrams and how we can answer for such questions. Okay, now here I am going to find out the probability of getting red beads in both the times. Now here when we are going to this tree diagram, this is just like a tree, children. Don't think too much about that. Now for an example, say when we start from here going to the branch. Now you have one mango here, another mango here. You want to pluck both the mangoes, you want to pluck 2 red mangoes. Okay, when you have 2 red mangoes, when you start from here, here one mango is there, here another mango is there, you can pluck them and you can come safely. Now some children I have seen, they are thinking that after coming here, if they will see another red one, they are trying to jump to another one. Then what will happen? Sorry.com. You can't jump like that. You have to go along the same branch and you have to come back to the same place. Now you can see here when we are coming here, we have red. The probability is 5 over 8. Here also we have 5 over 8. The probability of getting red beads in both the times we can calculate by multiplying these two. 5 over 8 into 5 over 8. Then we are getting the probability of getting red beads in both the times.